A regular polygon has interior angles of 165 degrees. Calculate the number of sides of the polygon. And so in order to do this, we're going to use this formula, which states that the interior angle is going to be equal to 180, open bracket, n minus 2 all over n, where n is the number of sides and the interior angle is here. Now, notice that in our question, they give us what is the interior angle. The interior angle is 165. And so that means that we have to substitute this value into our equation. And so the interior angle is 165, and we put that over 1 because we are preparing to cross multiply. So we have 165 over 1, which is equal to 180 multiplied by n minus 2 all over n. And so we cross multiply. So we multiply n by 165, and we multiply 1 by 180 times n minus 2. Now, 165 multiplied by n is 165n, and 1 times 180 times n minus 2 is 180 times n minus 2. Next, we distribute this 180 across this expression. So we say 180 multiplied by n and 180 multiplied by 2. Now, 180 multiplied by n is 180n, and 180 multiplied by 2 is going to be 360. Next, we take the 180n and we send it over the equal sign. And when we do that, we have 165n minus 180n, and that's going to be equal to negative 360. Again, we have 165n minus 180n, which equals to negative 360. Next, we subtract these two. So we have 165n minus 180n, and that gives us negative 15n, and that's going to be equal to negative 360. Next, we divide both sides of this equation by negative 15. We cancel this with that, so we get that n is equal to negative 360 divided by negative 15. And what is negative 360 divided by negative 15? Well, that equals to 24. So n is going to be equal to 24. So that means that the number of sides of this polygon is 24 sides. And that's given that the interior angles is 165 degrees. So if the interior angles is 165 degrees, then that means that the number of sides of this regular polygon is 24 sides. And that's the answer to this question.